What are you up to, guys? Welcome to my channel. For today's video I'm going to change fuel filter on my Volkswagen Golf Mark 5 1.9 TDI. You can see here the new fuel filter with two wide openings. This is actually 2005 model. I do have cap seal, blue seal, and even the washer for bleeding screw is there. So first thing first, I will put some rag around to avoid spillage. Then I'm going to remove T30 screws. I will tilt it back. I will pull the old filter out, and how you can see here we do have 10 mil screws holding the fuel filter housing. I will take it out and clean it and put it back with a new filter in it, so stay with me. That's the last one. Okay. I'm going to use flat screwdriver to separate cap from housing. Yeah, did you hear it? Okay, so I'm going to tilt it back. So how you can see, I tilt it back. I secure it with tie up. I'm going to drop it down. You see the dot? I'm going to change the seal. We have a new one here. Okay, that's the seal. Okay, the old fuel filter, I'm going to use flat screwdriver, and I'm going to pull it straight up. You can see just yeah. Okay. I'm going to let it sit for a minute to drain it out. Okay, I can pull it out. So I just found out that I even don't need remove them two 10mm screws, and I can just pull whole fuel filter housing straight up. Yeah, see how cool is that? Sits right here. I'm going to clean inside the housing, but before I'm going to drain the diesel. I will put it back into the tank later. There's some left there. So guys, you can see this dirt is only be cleaned. Can you see the dirt? So it is clean now, and I can change seal at the top. You can see that's the old one, and I have new one here. So we can put it back. Just slide down, very easy. New filter. It is spring loaded. Let's press it in. Yeah, and can you see? Yo. This tab goes here, and then. But before I will put some diesel there. But before that I will show you the difference. On the left you can see the diesel from fuel filter housing. It's very dirty. And on the right side you can see the clean diesel. Of course I'm going to take the clean one and add into the new. to make sure it sits all the way down. Yeah, so that's fine. Blue sealing is in place, and this tab will go right here. Screws, so I'm going to use two hands at the back. So how you can see, the cap is back, screws are back. It was not possible to do that with one hand, so I did it one hand, I did press it, and another hand I did put screws in, and that's how I did it. Whatever is left is this washer for the bleeding screw, but I'm not going to do that today, because every 10,000 miles you're supposed to bleed water out of the system, so maybe then I will use a new washer. So we are inside car now, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to put ignition on and off a couple times to let fuel pump work and refill the lines and new fuel filter. You can hear the pump. And now I can start it, and I should have no problem, just like that. So thanks for watching me, stay safe out there and healthy, and I will talk to you very soon in the next one. Bye.